gladiators of ancient Rome include historical figures and legends whose exploits were celebrated in their time or have become iconic through later accounts. Here's an overview of some known gladiators. Spartacus, era, 73-71 BCA. Background: a Thracian warrior who became a slave and later a gladiator. Fame: led a major slave uprising against Rome. Known as the Third Servile War. Legacy: his story has been romanticized in literature, movies, and modern culture as a symbol of resistance and freedom. Crixus, era, 73-71 BCA. Background: a Gallic gladiator and former slave. Fame: one of Spartacus's closest allies, though they eventually parted ways due to differing strategies. Death: killed in battle during the slave revolt. Commodus, era, 161-192 CA. Reigned as emperor from 180-192 CA. Background: Roman emperor who fought in the arena. Fame: known for participating in staged gladiatorial combats, where he often fought against weakened or injured opponents. Legacy: seen as a symbol of decadence, his exploits contributed to his unpopularity and assassination. Flamma, era, 2nd century CE. Background: a Syrian gladiator and former soldier. Fame: 21 won battles and was offered freedom multiple times but chose to remain a gladiator. Legacy: admired for his skill and bravery. Priscus and Verus, era, 1st century CE. Fame: two gladiators who fought in a famous contest described by the poet Martial during the inauguration of the Flavian Amphitheatre, Colosseum, under Emperor Titus. Outcome: the fight ended in a draw, and both were awarded freedom and the Rudes, a wooden sword symbolizing manumission. Carpophorus, era, 1st century CE. Background: a bestiarius, or animal fighter. Fame: known for battling multiple wild animals at once in the arena. Legacy: celebrated for his prowess in beast hunts. Venetians. Tetraites, era, 1st century CE. Fame: a Murmillo-type gladiator whose name appears in graffiti in Pompeii and other sites. Legacy: one of the few gladiators whose name is known from contemporary inscriptions. Spiculus, era, 1st century CE. Background: favored by Emperor Nero. Fame: known for his victories and rewarded with great wealth and property by Nero. Marcus Attilius, era, 1st century CE. Background: a freeborn Roman who volunteered to fight as a gladiator. Fame: won his first fight against a veteran gladiator named Halerus. Thracians and Gauls, while not individuals. Many gladiators were Thracian or Gallic prisoners of war. They fought using the styles of their homelands, contributing to the diversity of the arena. The lives of gladiators, while often brutal and short, captivated the Roman public and remain an enduring symbol of the Roman Empire's spectacle and social dynamics.